Yeah, I end up hooking it in here with the humidifier in here, and then I end up tapping in this little small fan in here because I needed some more air circulation to go in here. So I end up splicing into, I end up splicing into that power line that goes into the humidifier, and basically spliced into the power cord just a little bit and plugged in this fan so that the fan and the humidifier are running off of one power cord. On the outside, I put a cover over it just to make sure it's siliconed it in. Basically, just learned from that. It was the container that had nuts in it, that it was a solid tin. Drilled some holes in it all the way around, silicoated on over the fan. Yeah, that's my incubation box. Oops, sorry, I gotta go get my portable battery. My portable battery. There we go. Alright, here we go. So on this side, I have a plug coming in. That power is the humidifier and the fan. Over here is a thermostat. It comes up to the thermostat that has an on. That is basically the on and off switch for the Peltier cooler module. That's over here. This is a Peltier cooler module that's on this side. That is actually hooked up to the thermostat. That actually kicks on this little small fan over here, and the Peltier module over here. So that this kicks in cold air. So now it has feed in on both sides. So it has the Peltier over here, the small fan over here, thermostat to control both of those. I got the little one over here. That's just popped in on a little piece of metal right there, so that I can pop it on, so it holds up. And like I said, the humidifier over here on the little, it's like 4 volts, 5 volts on a little, like half amp. And all of that just runs around the corner to a little surge protector. And I got my this is Cali Born Desert. I holla at you.